Today I'm sharing one of my favorite easy dinner recipes. I make this sausage and vegetable dinner for my family a few times a month. It uses simple ingredients and it's a complete meal made in one pan. To start, you need a quarter cup of olive oil, some basil, thyme, paprika, oregano, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Stir those all together to create a seasoning sauce for the vegetables. Next, you're going to cut up 3 cups of potatoes. That's about a pound. You can use any type of potatoes here, including sweet potatoes. I'm just making them into bite-sized pieces. Then you want to add in 1.5 cups of baby carrots, that's about half a pound, and pour half of the seasoning over the vegetables. Give it a good stir. Then we're going to spread the vegetables out into a single layer on a large sheet pan. Bake that at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. While that's in the oven, we need to prepare the rest of the ingredients. Cut up about 1 pound of broccoli. I just cut it into florets and then I make them bite-sized. And you can throw it in the same bowl that we use for the potatoes. I need to clean this up before I cut my onions. Next, you'll need half an onion cut into thick slices. And add 3 cloves of minced garlic. Pour the rest of the seasoning sauce over the vegetables and stir it around. I like to break the onions apart so the layers aren't stuck together. Next, we need to cut our kielbasa. I use Peterson's brand, which is sugar-free and gluten-free. You can use your favorite brand. I hate these end pieces, so I always toss those. Cut the sausage into 1/4 inch slices. Set all this aside and grab the pan from the oven. Flip all the vegetables. You can see they're already starting to turn golden brown. Once they're all flipped over, scoot everything to one side. Lay out the sausage coins in a single layer on the other half of the pan. Then dump the broccoli on top and spread it out just a little. Throw this back in the oven for another 15 minutes. After 15 minutes of roasting, take the pan out and scoot that broccoli aside so you can flip the sausages. This will help them to cook evenly. Then put it back in the oven for the final 10 minutes of baking time. It's all done. The last thing to do is just mix everything together so you get a nice mix of sausage and vegetables in every serving. And it's time to eat. I love this easy dinner, and I know you will too.